the worldwide phenomenon that's transformed lives across the globe. Upper AEON.
You feel stuck, you're not sure, unclear, where am I going, what am I doing? I was one of those.
For the first time ever, the complete system reset experience is available for you right at home.
Whatever it's our brain, our thoughts, our emotions, it is time that we go to those highest states of love and joy that we came here to experience.
People have paid hundreds to be part of this moment. But now, as part of your Elixir subscription, you can witness the transformation for free.
We gotta zoom out, and we gotta take that time for ourselves.
Part breathwork, part meditation, part dance, all transforming.
I spent the last 15 years traveling the world, learning from gurus, teachers, mystics.
Just grab your headphones, close your eyes, and experience it as if you're there.
Take this time to let everything go.
The Upper AEON System Reset. Experience it now. Join elixir.com.
So if you're looking for a major breakthrough in life, it is your time to finally slow it down, come back to your center, and rediscover what are those greatest dreams you've ever had about yourself.